In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a beat in BandLab. First, open your browser and head to BandLab's website, and this is where you'll make music right in your browser, so there's nothing to install. Once you're on the homepage, click Log In and sign in with your account so your work is saved to your library. After you're in, go to Library. This is your dashboard for everything you've made or started. If you already have a project you want to build on, click it. If not, create a new project. Starting from scratch is perfect for getting a beat going. Inside the project page, click Studio. This opens BandLab's main music-making workspace, where you'll see your timeline, mixer controls, and tools for recording and programming parts. Now click Add Track. Think of a track as a lane for a specific sound or instrument. A beat usually starts with drums, but you can add whatever inspires you. When prompted, choose either virtual instruments or drum machine. Virtual instruments give you playable sounds like pianos, synths, and basses using your typing keyboard or a MIDI controller. Drum machine is great for quick rhythms using a step sequencer and pads. Next, open the instrument and kit selector. You'll find it at the top of the track channel. This is where you browse sounds and switch the character of your track. Select the instrument you want to use. For melodies and chords, you might pick a piano, keys, or a synth. You can preview sounds as you browse so you know exactly what you're getting. Then select the kit you want to use if you're on a drum track. Kits bundle together kick, snare, hi-hats, and percussion into a cohesive set. Choose something that matches your style. Electronic, acoustic, trap, lo-fi, or anything in between. With your sound ready, start creating. Use the drum pads to tap out ideas live or program patterns in the grid. The grid is a step sequencer. Place hits on the steps to build a groove, hit play to loop it, and tweak until it feels right. Keep it simple at first. Kick on the downbeat, snare on the backbeat, and add hats for motion. If you're using a virtual instrument, record a bass line or chord stab to support the drums. You can repeat Add Track to layer more parts, switching instruments or kits as you go. That's it, your beat is underway in BandLab. Experiment, listen on loop, and refine until it knocks.